Everyone, welcome to my channel. The cruise trip tour, and yeah, it's really beautiful. Woo! A bit cold over here. It's raining a bit. Yeah, this is my tour in Istanbul, right here in Turkey. Well, being the second last day over here. Pretty nice. Oh my goodness, and the music is going on down there, as you people can see. This is what's going on. Look, beautiful. Unfortunately, I don't have good lighting on my phone. That's why I cannot give better videos. But wow, that's me. Amazing. That's the deck. You can go up there